What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and honestly, I'm just super excited that this is another video. I honestly love making videos and interacting with you guys. So if you're a driver for Uber or for Lyft, or you're thinking about it, or if you just like making money, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And turn on post notifications. Let's build this community. Let's make this the biggest rideshare community. So click subscribe and comment down below what you drive for. So this is breaking news. I don't know if you guys have seen this. This has been all over the internet as well as the television. And you know when it's breaking news, when my mom actually sent me this video or this article. She sent me like 5. She's like, have you seen this? My mom likes to be she's pretty much like my researcher. She sends me articles and stuff. So, but yeah, sorry, my hair is literally crazy. I just woke up drinking my morning coffee. Wow, look at that hairdo. Drinking my morning coffee and some of you guys complain that I slurp my coffee too loud. It's like, you guys find the craziest things to hate on. I have a lot of haters, so don't worry. If you want to be a hater, you gotta leave a creative comment. No more of this like, oh, you ramble too much, Leave something a little more creative. Okay, anyways guys, new study. This new study showed up that the back seat of Uber and Lyft cars are dirtier than toilets. They have more bacteria than toilets. And I'm gonna get into the article and go over everything. The study actually that shows that there's more bacteria than in toilets. But I was thinking about it and I'm like, it's not the driver's fault. It's just that passengers get in and example number 1, when I go to the gym, I take an Uber there because there's no parking. So I get to the gym, I go in there and usually I shower after the gym. So even if I go into the gym, I'm usually dirty. And then after the gym, I'll take an Uber back, and it's like, yeah, I'm bringing in sweat. The next passenger, whatever, they're smoking, or they're a smoker. They bring I don't know, they have ashes all over them, whatever. I picked up a construction worker before, just people. You bring in so many different, or people bringing in alcohol. Maybe that might help with the bacteria if they spill. But people, you know what I mean? It's just passengers bring in so much, and Uber and Lyft drivers, they don't. Uber's not paying for our car detail. Maybe if they paid for our car detail once per month, then that would be a different story. But it's car detail's $100, and to clean out my whole back seat is a whole nother thing. So if you guys know any cleaning products that are really, really good, let me know. I'm going to probably start, I don't know, I'm gonna probably reach out to some companies and ask them if they want to, give us, yes, I say us, the Rideshare Hub, some cleaning supplies, because this is important. So I don't know, I guess at this point, just if you're driving, clean out your car, find something to clean out your car, antibacterial wipes, clean out your back seat, as well as your passenger seat and your own seat, These are little things you don't think of, but you don't want your back seat to be dirtier than a toilet, right? So, I have seen some people with seat covers, if you want to do that too, and then just wash those. That might be a smart idea as well. Sorry, trying to get this pristine lighting in. So this was on NBC. NBC is huge. I got, some tabs open. Study claims your Uber and Lyft ride has more bacteria than your toilet. What? Toilet? Next time you grab an Uber or Lyft, have your sanitizer ready. Cleaning dirty. NetQuote released the study and found rideshare seatbelts are brimming with bacteria, about 1 million grams per inch. Wow, that's a lot. The window, this ad is, can you move, dude? I'm trying to read this article. Oh, look, an Uber ad. The window buttons were 5 times as filthy as the seatbelts. If you're hitting the road in a rental, according to the study, more than 1 million bacteria are spread on the steering wheel. That is absolutely insane. I wanted to read this study really quickly. to show you guys exactly how much bacteria they did find. Net quote. So this is it. I need to pause this video because just too many ads going on. Driving with germs. Here it goes, guys. Listen up, listen up, listen up. You'll probably find yourself traveling in a rideshare vehicle, taxi, or rental at some point. Whether you're on a trip or enjoying a night out, but comfy as they may be, you're far from the only person who's rolling down the windows, buckling seatbelts, and grasping like door handles and steering wheels in these vehicles. We wonder just how many bacteria-laden these types of vehicles are. To find out, a mobilized team of hail taxis request rideshare vehicles and secure rental cars, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's look. Here we go, guys. Ew, yucky, yucky, poo-poo. Gram-positive cocky. Is that a joke? Cocky? Capable of causing skin infections, pneumonia. I got pneumonia before, guys. Not fun. And septicemia, blood poisoning. Bacillus colony-forming unit. Gram-positive rods. That guy looks scary. I don't want to be in touch with that guy. That was actually kind of cute. Not gonna lie. Maybe I do want. What's that one? Bacillus. All right. No. Gram-positive cocky. I'll keep you around. Other ones I don't want. 90 to 95% are harmful to humans, and many are resistant to antibiotics. Examples of this include bacteria, including E. coli, cholera, and ew, I don't want gonorrhea, dude. Yeast. Grody to the max, dude. What's on your ride? CFU. Ride shares. So Uber and Lyft cars are, oh my gosh, they're like 100 times more gross than taxis. That's nasty, guys. Keep your cars clean, guys. You don't want to be like a toilet. Look at that toothbrush holder. Oh, I gotta throw mine away. Coffee reservoir. Oh look, I just got a new sign up for Uber. Use the link in the description. No promo, no plug, no shameless plug. All values are measured in colony forming units. Colony per square inch. That is nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Seatbelt, steering wheel, shifter. Bacteria distribution, rental cars, blah, 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 ride shares, ride shares, ride shares. These are a lot of charts. I will leave the link in the description for this study if you guys want to check it out on your own, just so you are super informed. I know I don't have time to go through every single thing, or else we will be, you know, here all night, all day, all morning, or all afternoon, whenever you're watching this. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to pop in. Let me know, do you think Uber should start paying drivers to get their car detailed like once per month? Let me know. It's only like 80 bucks. I think it would be a really good investment so cars can be safer, cleaner, and more affordable for the drivers. Because, face it, you know me, I already, you know, use those wipes to clean the outside of my car. I don't want to get my car detailed. That takes a long time. Plus, it takes time too. Oh no, I mean, sorry. I mean, and it takes money too. Money of my hard-earned cash, you know? Yeah, I understand it's a tax deduction, but I'm already getting all my tax deductions through the mileage. So anyways, guys, that's it. Literally it for today's video. This is breaking news. Want to get this out there. Keep your cars clean, make sure. And anyways, have an awesome day. Let me know, do you drive for Uber or for Lyft, and what market are you in? Or do you like, have you guys ever had a dirty passenger get into your car? Let me know in the comment section below. I know I personally have had a construction worker get into my car. One time I picked up a lady, she's a cleaning lady, and she brought all of her cleaning supplies in my car. And afterwards I was like, I should not have done that. But, you know, those things are dirty. She's literally cleaning houses, and you know, she's bringing in bacteria into my car. So I do get a car detail because I'm kind of a neat freak. And what I do is I drop my car off and then just chill at home and then pick it up later. So like, it's not like I'm sitting there waiting, because I hate lines, I hate waiting, all that stuff. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm like instantaneous on everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Having a great, amazing day. You know, drink some coffee. Do you guys like coffee or tea? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, click subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, and remember to not drive with germs. All right. Bye guys. Have a great day.